Hey, what's good YouTube? This is Julian here. Welcome to another episode in my channel. If you are interested to learn how to make money online, then this is the video that you are going to need to watch. I will be showing you the best way to make $10 every 10 minutes. All right. And this is good for you, especially if it is your journey. You're just starting out your journey to make money online. You want to supplement your income and you want to, start learning the freedom of making money, not just in your office. So I'm going to share with you how you can do it. All right. And if you stay to the end, I will be sharing with you not one, not two, not three, but 8 different websites that you can do. And again, if you stay to the end, I'm going to share with you how you can also earn not just in USD, but also in euros and also probably in British pounds. All right. So stay tuned to the end. Don't leave this channel because you need to know step by step how this works, and you will then be able to apply it yourself and earn that income that you want. Just a disclaimer though, this income will not be able to completely change, or how to say, you will not be able to completely leave your job just to do this full time, because it is just to supplement it. All right, this income is not yet enough and you don't get it as regular as you would like, but I'm going to share with you how you can then get this, how you can then increase the chances or the probability of you getting more results, better results through this. Okay, I'm going to share with you that in a moment. So if you're new to my channel, I want you to click the subscribe button, because I'll be sharing with you loads of more of all these tips. All right, how you can make money online, how you can increase your personal capacity to earn more, and also your then to develop your mindset, okay, to develop your communication skills, to develop your leadership skills in order to be a better person, to be more profitable, and also to be more productive yourself. So if you're new here, I have a few videos that I've put up already. I want you to click on the subscribe button because you will be receiving more of these videos. So let's jump right in and let's get started how you can make your money online. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you is this website called Try My UI. Okay, and these websites and the websites that I'm going to share with you throughout the next few minutes that you're watching this is all about user testing. And most companies, they put their websites up there, but then they don't have anyone to test their website. So this is where they pay companies like these which look for testers, which you will become a tester. And what you have to do is very simple. You just need to scroll through their website. You need to speak out loud what you are thinking, okay, and how you're navigating through this website, and then give your feedback. It's just as simple as that. If you know how to use your website, if you know how to record yourself speaking, okay, you don't even need to show your face for some of these websites. You just need to speak out your thoughts, all right, and give your feedback. You will be able to do this. All right, no rocket science involved. So let's go through Try My UI. Okay, so Try My UI will give you this opportunity to become a Try My UI tester, and very easy. All you need to do is just sign up, put in your name, your email, your password, and then they will be paying you via PayPal. Right, this is the best opportunity for you to get paid in USD, because you'll be getting paid via PayPal. And for Try My UI, you will be paid $10 for each test that you take. Each test can last for about 10 minutes to 20 minutes. The last test I did that you saw, you got a payment, took me only 10 minutes to do. All right, so let me share with you how you can do that once you have signed up for it. Okay, just to show you why Try My UI. Okay, it is a site that a lot of big companies use themselves. For example, Boss, NBC, Amazon, British Airways, so on and so forth. And basically they just need you to do a bunch of tests. Okay, so after you have key in your details, all right, they will then lead you to a usability testing page, whereby they will teach you how to do it, and you do a trial test. okay? And every time once they have tests that they need you to do, okay, they will then send you an email. And how does these companies look for you to do the testing? You need to when you fill in your details, you will have to fill in your demographics, your age, your the company that you're working in, not in as in the details of the company, but like what industry is it in, what devices are you using, and they will then give you the test based on your demographics. Okay, so companies will select different people. For example, they want to look for people in Malaysia between the ages of 18 to 35 who are interested in basketball, weightlifting, and these are guys, and they want to select these bunch of people to do this, and then they will select people of their demographics. All right, so this is how it works. So sign up for it and get started to test. Okay, the next website that I want to share with you is what I call Validately. Okay, Validately. I will also put all these links in the description below so that you can also you can also watch it yourself, and you can then do it. So Validately is used by companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and big companies. All right, so again, very simple. Sign up, start taking the test, and then get paid. Very easy. What do you need to get started? You just need a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies. You are able to do it via your laptop and also your mobile device. You also need a high-speed internet connection. You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to speak in English. You must have a PayPal account because these companies pay you via PayPal. And they will be giving you tests pretty often, okay, daily. Again, not every test will match the criteria, so you need to put in your demographics, be as specific as possible, and then when you are required to do a test, they will then send you the email for you to do the test. Okay, for Validately, it's a little bit special. It's one of the reasons why I love Validately as well, is because Validately allows you to do two different kinds of tests. One is called an unmoderated test, which is $10 for 10 minutes of your time. There's also an moderated live test, okay, whereby this one will require you to go live. Okay, they will have a session with you whereby you record yourself via webcam and then share your screen with the moderator. So because this one takes live, it's a live session, they will then pay you minimum $25 for 30 minutes of your time. That's almost $1 for each time you spend with them. That's how important they value your feedback. Okay, so payments will be processed through PayPal again every 7 business days after you complete your test. And yeah, that's about it. So this is the second site number 2. Site number 3 is UserTesting. Okay, and UserTesting is one of the sites that has just gotten very popular as well. Allows you to earn up to $60 per test. Again, very similar how it works. Okay, you get paid $10 for every 20 minutes of the video that you complete. This one requires you to also visit the websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. Okay, very simple, very similar to the other websites. Okay, this one you get your payment also 7 days after completing your website or app test. The next site that you can do is called UserField, and UserField, again, similar like the previous sites, will allow you to become a tester that earns you $10 per test. Okay, again, each test lasts you about 10 to 20 minutes, can be completed on your phone or on your computer. Site number 6 is called IntelliZoom Panel. Okay, IntelliZoom Panel, also similar like the other few sites that I've been talking about. Pays you on an average of $10 for every study or test that you do. All right, if you do surveys, it pays you $2 for a survey. I wouldn't recommend you to do surveys that much. Focus more on the user testing websites. All right, so last but not least, okay, I have with me here TestingTime, and TestingTime allows you to be paid 50 euros per hour. TestingTime is slightly different than the others because it requires you to test products at home via Skype or on site with the customer. Okay, but I wouldn't recommend you to go on site with the customer, but test products via Skype. So let me share with you how this works. All right, so the study will take around typically 30 to 90 minutes, slightly longer than what you would have with the other sites, but this one also pays you much more. All right, so you can use Skype to do this because it will help you. Someone will be there to guide you, to help you every step of the way. All right, how you do it: sign up with them, accept a test job, and get paid. Very, very simple. Okay, so you have 8 different websites for you to make money online. Now, you may ask me, what are the requirements to be a great tester? Let me share with you. All right, so to be a great tester, you need to be able to just articulate the words from your thoughts, all right, when you are going through the website. Okay, read aloud what the site says. Okay, say that everything is okay. I want you to be able to test the website like how a normal user would. Okay, what you need to do is very important: be in a quiet place, speak very loudly and clearly, make sure that there is no interruption with you and people can hear you as you speak into the microphone. Okay, explain what you are doing, and if you are feeling confused because you don't really understand what is going on, you know, where to look for this, you can just tell it out loud. Just read out, just say out your thoughts. And also you can provide comments. Just say that, you know, I think that it can be improved by changing the color. Okay, instead of it being red, maybe instead of being red, I want it to be a green, brighter green, so that it stands out from the web page. All right, provide them with useful information that will help, and then share with them how they can also improve on the system. Okay, so for example, if the navigation is quite terrible, you feel very confused, just tell it to them, because this is where they get the feedback of what actually works. Okay. Again, I hope that this has been useful for you. All right, the websites for you to make money online doing user testing. And if you think that this has been helpful, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I want you to also subscribe to my channel and share it with people that you think will need this the most, right? Doing my part in sharing with you information how you can make money online, and I hope that you will apply what you just learned, because if you don't apply what you just learned, it will all be just knowledge. All right, so do it, start making money online, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you. Investment that I personally feel that has brought me the most ROI to date. And if you have very little capital and you want to invest in something, this is the investment that you should be making.